Okay, there's an obvious, like, a line where there's, two pieces that look like they're blown apart almost, but that line doesn't match up to anything on the outside of the throttle body. And I don't know, I can't really tell you what a good one looks like, but there's obviously some dirty shit down in there. But is that gap, that, right there, about an inch and a half down inside of there, is that normal or is that not normal? I don't know. I mean, there's nothing on the outside, but I'm going to pull the throttle body off and pull the fuel rail off of it and clean the injectors and whatnot and stuff. So we'll see how that goes.